Welcome to Salt and Carbon. Join us as we travel around Australia, enduring highs and lows with our trusty pop-top troopy called Tina. Sit back and enjoy today's episode.
Good morning everyone. We are in Big Valley Campground here, just inland from Margaret River town. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. We've been for a run already and Rana is kindly making us some brekkie and coffee. Should be delicious.
It's a birthday brekkie this morning. Happy birthday, love. Big one.
Yes, it's my birthday today, so lucky me, I get to spend it in this awesome place, and we'll be having a winery lunch a bit later for my birthday, and yeah, just relaxing, enjoying the day. It's our last full day in Margaret River. We've been here for quite a while, made some really cool friends here, and we'll be moving to Perth tomorrow.
Happy birthday, my love.
Thank
Here
you.
you go. There's your cake. 3 candles. 1 for every 10 years. 30 years old.
3. Just arrived at Aravina Estate Winery and we are here for some lunch. So in Australia, my birthday always falls on Anzac Day, which is a very special day here to remember all the soldiers from the war, World War I and II. And it also means that I always get a public holiday on my birthday, and then when we go out for food we always have to pay a surcharge. So that's fun, isn't it?
Naturally, being at a vineyard, we had to first try the local grape juice before being sat down for lunch.
We're just watching the sunset here at Surface Point in Margaret River in Beverly. It is a beautiful sunset and the dolphins are even out, which is flipping cool. It's a bit far to zoom in though for the GoPro.
And it's getting a bit cold now that the sun is down.
Yep, time to throw a bit of a warmer jacket on. But look at that. Wow, that is so beautiful. So we have just left Big Valley Camping Ground. We are heading to Perth now, finally.
Yeah, we've been here for a very long time already in Margaret River. It's been fantastic, right?
Yeah, we've had a good run here, and yeah, I had a wonderful birthday yesterday, so yeah, we'll be staying with some friends tonight. Stu and Fiona, we were with them in Cape the Grand National Park. If you haven't watched that video, then we'll put the link over here and you can watch that one. It's also yeah, so we're heading to Perth now and hopefully we have a nice easy drive, not too much traffic, because it is Friday, will be Friday afternoon by the time we're heading up there. And yeah, cheers Margaret River, you've been great. Well, hello there, handsome.
Taste some wine.
So we're at Sky Winery, mostly thanks to our friends Mike and Beck, because they love this winery and It definitely seems to be not one of the very well-known ones. It's quite a small little tasting room, it seems, but I'm sure it will have delicious wines, so we'll be finding out shortly.
Take it one, two.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow.
Kan het maar de bakje al terug nog. Hey? Like kids having that at the time.
We have arrived at Busselton, and it's bustling in Busselton. It's pretty busy. It's a long weekend actually, so I think a lot of people have taken the Friday off since yesterday was a public holiday. And yeah, beautiful here, nice long jetty that you can go and walk on, which we've opted not to. We're just walking along the beach and having a look at the ocean really, and seeing what the foreshore has to offer.
Yeah, this place is an absolute haven for kids. A massive playground over there. But yeah, to be honest, we've seen so many jetties already. So
Yeah.
this jetty, yes, it's a very long jetty. Probably not going to be walking on it. It's very beautiful just to walk along the foreshore anyway.
Yeah, they've maintained this grass here so beautifully, as you can see. So nice and green along here. We love green grass. Dana has a mild obsession with green grass. The greener and the softer, the better. So this is fulfilling all of his grass dreams right here. She's a bit chilly. Just can't get over how green this grass is. We haven't seen such green grass in the whole time we've been traveling really, because it's just so dry in these areas. Hey, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it is pretty nice to see that the people take care of this area like this.
It's stunning. It's so pretty here actually. So we just had a little anaconda run, and after almost years of deliberating, we finally caved and bought a jet foil. Still mixed emotions at this stage, hoping that we're going to get a lot of use out of it, because obviously we're used to just using our gas stove for everything. But yeah, I mean, everybody who has one says they're so great, so really excited to try it.
Last night Jenn and I met up with some friends here in Perth, and as you may guess, we may have indulged in a few more beverages than what we should have. So this morning we're going for a cold dip at Waterman's Bay, so should be good.
Rana's back from the store buying stuff for the exhaust and for the troop. You want to tell us what you got?
Yeah, just got some coupler nuts and so on to adjust these bump stops, or they're bonnet stops really, because there's a lot of wear, there's excessive wear, and so the bonnet can rattle up and down. We've got some mud flaps too, and then we've also organised to take the Troopy in to get the exhaust fixed. During our time in Perth, we got a lot of work done on Tina Girl, including that pesky little latch that we had to keep on closing with a ratchet strap. Jenn also gave the car a good clean. So my friend Stefan and I have decided we want to come down to Preston Beach, about an hour's drive from Rockingham in Perth, and we've arrived at the beach, and you can see around us there's a million people here, either airing down or airing up, which is good to see.
We're a bit stuck here in the sand. The person in front of us was going very slowly and we got bogged. I don't know if you call it that in the sand, but yeah, we've got to air down a little bit more now to try and get ourselves out of this. We are airing down to 18, did you say?
Yeah, 815, 18 psi in the back, which is low for this heavy rig in the back. So we'll see how we go. We'll do a little bit of digging in the back and just try and reverse out.
Pretty close under there. Oh my goodness.
It's very soft and couldn't keep momentum.
Yeah. Wow, look at the leaf springs. They're under the sand. So after airing down quite a bit and digging some sand from behind the tires, we managed to get out. Very soft sand, so yeah, we need a bit of momentum. Quite heavy.
It's true.
It's all good. We're heading
Got out in the end.
Yeah, got out in the end, heading along the beach now. It's a fixed swing arm. Phew. No more ratchet strap. Still here at the ocean. We haven't caught too many fish yet. Our friend Stefan has just caught one, but Werner hasn't caught any. Let's see the fishy, Mila. Wow. That's the only one we've caught so far. Still trying our luck though. After a whole day of almost nothing, he brings in two on the same line.
Bloody little fish that just keep on taking all of our bait.
Yeah, they keep...
These little bad boys.
These little naughty ones, and they're so small. Wow. Oh, well, at least we know who the culprits are. Oopsie. So we just came across some other guys on the beach who also got bogged here in the sand, so Werner's just helping them, digging them out. Luckily we have that shovel with the long handle, and hopefully we can get them out. It's a day for getting bogged in the sand, it seems.
Salt out a little bit and keep your front wheels straight so that your front wheels also go over the match tracks.
Yeah. That's gonna go.
Mm.
1, 2, 3. Keep on, Dion.
Nice! Woo! Good one. And there was a happy ending to the story. They got out.
Yeah, and the guys gave me money. They gave me $20, and I told them I don't want your money. Just keep it. It's nothing.
Yeah,
Anyway,
very grateful,
very thankful.
obviously. But yeah, off they go.
Beer
There
money.
they are. So everyone is happy at the end of the day, and everyone wins.
We'll need to see if we can get Stefan out now.
Yeah, now Stefan is bogged too. Uh-oh. It's a day of getting bogged in the sand, it seems.
As always, Jen and I thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this episode, and we can't wait to show you what we get up to next.